English-Miskito, have equals.
Yes.
Fast, funny lesson. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey there. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly coach for fast language wins. Before we dive in, grab a smile and a sip of water. You're about to master, have, in Miskito. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Your goal today. You'll learn to say every form of have clearly and confidently. By the end, you'll handle have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you, plural, have, and they have, with quick situational cues. German anchors, for quick recall. You might know these from German, use them as anchors while we work in English and Miskito. Haben, ich habe, du hast, hat, sie hat, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Great, now map them to English in your mind and get ready for the Miskito punchlines. Core phrases. English to Miskito. Repeat after me, short, sharp, confident. You've got this. I have.
Yes.
You have, singular.
나는
He has.
within
She has.
yawan within
It has.
pinbara
We have.
one type
You have, plural.
manani within
They have.
내라슨
Say them once more with a grin, it helps memory. Mini dialogue. The case of the missing tickets. Listen, then echo the Miskito parts out loud. Have fun with it. You, do we have the tickets? We have.
one type
Friend. Wait, do you, singular, have yours? You have.
나는
You, and him, he has.
within
Friend. What about her? She has.
yawan within
You, the scanner, does it work? It has power.
pinbara
Guide. Team, confirm, you, plural, have the passes.
manani within
Crowd. Good news, they have snacks.
내라슨
You, cheeky, and me? I have chocolate.
yes.
Sharing? Buffering? Just kidding. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap. Say it on the beat, your brain loves rhythm. Beat 1 to 2, I have.
yes.
Beat 1 to 2, you have, SG.
나는
Beat 1 to 2, he has.
within
Beat 1 to 2, she has.
yawan within
Beat 1 to 2, it has.
pinbara
Beat 1 to 2, we have.
one type
Beat 1 to 2, you have, place.
manani within
Beat 1 to 2, they have.
내라슨
Speed round. Say all 8 with quick claps. Go. Culture tip. A little context makes words stick. On Nicaragua's and Honduras's Miskito coast, a team setting out by canoe might confirm gear with short phrases like, we have.
one type
Keep it practical and you'll sound natural. Quick quiz. Say the answer out loud, I'll pause for you. Ch.1. Say, I have. A.
yes.
Ch.2. Say, you have, singular. A.
나는
Ch.3. Say, he has. A.
within
Ch.4. Say, she has. A.
yawan within
Ch.5. Say, it has. A.
pinbara
Ch.6. Say, we have. A.
one type
Ch.7. Say, you have, plural. A.
mananiwitin,
Q8. Say, they have. A.
nerasan,
Challenge plus wrap up. Your turn to shine, make it playful. Challenge. Point to 3 things around you and make mini sentences. I have keys.
yansa,
We have coffee.
wantay,
They have the remote.
nerasan.
Quote. Nice work. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your English-Miskito pairs and revisit the German anchors. Haben, ich habe, du hast, hat, sie hat, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.